Are you having trouble with YouTube on your Aquos Sharp Smart TV? Frustrated about buffering or video playback issues? I'm going to walk you through how to fix YouTube on an Aquos Sharp Smart TV. From resetting your app to making sure your internet connection is up to speed, I've got you covered with all the tips and tricks to get you back to enjoying seamless streaming in no time. So step 1, check your internet connection. The first thing you should do when your YouTube acts up is check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth video playback. To ensure your TV is connected, access the network settings on your Aquos Smart TV. Verify that you are connected to the right Wi-Fi network. If needed, disconnect and reconnect to reset the connection. Consider moving your router closer to the TV or using a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Step 2, restart the YouTube app. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve minor glitches or bugs. Here's how to do it. Exit the YouTube app completely. Use your TV remote to navigate to the app area and reselect the YouTube app. Relaunch the app to see if the issue persists. This can refresh the app's operation and clear temporary issues. Step 3, update your TV software. Ensuring your TV has the latest software is vital for optimal app performance, including YouTube. Go to the TV settings menu using your remote. Search for system updates or software updates. Check if there are any pending updates available and install them. Once updated, restart your TV and try accessing YouTube again. Step 4, clear cache and data. Accumulated cache and data can bog down the app's performance. Here's how to clear them. On your Aquos Sharp Smart TV, navigate to the settings menu. Find the app section and select YouTube. Choose the options to clear cache and clear data. Restart the app to see if this resolves the issue. Step 5, reinstall the YouTube app. If clearing the cache doesn't work, a fresh installation of the YouTube app might be necessary. Go to the app section on your TV and locate YouTube. Uninstall the app by selecting the appropriate option. Once uninstalled, return to the App Store on your TV. Search for and reinstall the YouTube app. Launch the app to see if the problem is fixed. Step 6, ensure correct time and date settings. Incorrect time and date settings can occasionally disrupt app functionality. Access your TV settings menu. Verify and correct the time and date settings if necessary. Ensure they are set to automatically update or input them manually.